Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to share with you guys a product that I use for my headaches. Alright, so I often get headaches, like all the time. They're triggered by many things. Obviously, stress can trigger them. If it's too hot somewhere, if there's not enough air. Sometimes when I'm flying in the plane or in a car and it's going around like a windy road, I'll get a headache. I just get headaches all the time, and they've lessened since I've lost a bunch of weight. I've lost like close to 40 pounds, and the headaches have definitely decreased as I've noticed that I've changed my diet, so I don't get them as often, but I still do get them. And a good friend of mine recommended this product that I try out, a natural product, because I don't like having to take, an Advil or a Tylenol or anything like that. I avoid it at all possible, and I only take it if I have to. Like, I took it when I was about to get on a plane and I already had like a migraine, and I knew that if I didn't take it, then the plane ride was going to be that much more worse, because usually taking plane rides aren't that comfortable. And when I would get headaches, I would have to put like an ice pack on my head, or I would just want to go to sleep, because oftentimes just going to bed and then for a couple of hours and then waking up will usually relieve it for me, but I can't always do that in the middle of the day or if I'm out and about. So my friend recommended this item right here. This is from a company called Saje, and I believe that they are a Canadian company, but they do have some stores in the United States as well. And this product is called the Peppermint Halo. I'm also going to have it pop up on the screen here. And I don't usually talk about this kind of stuff. I'm usually doing like a tech gear or tutorial, social media, making money. But we wanted to share this because it's actually been really useful and beneficial for me. And I know that a lot of other people suffer from daily headaches as well. So it's called the Peppermint Halo, and it comes in a little case like this. And it's a headache remedy, and you can see what the bottle looks like on the screen, and I'll just take it out right now as well. And I've been using it for like 2 weeks now, and this is what it looks like. It's like a little vial. It's like 10 millimeters, 0.3 ounces, and when you open it, it's got this rollerball thing on it. And I liked how easy it was to apply, because at first I thought it was like, oh, I have to put it in my fingers and then rub it all over. But no, you don't actually have to get it on your hands. And it's really super simple to use. You just take it and you roll it on the back of your neck. So you roll it on the back, do one side. You don't have to get it perfect. Roll it on the back side there. Now and then sometimes a little closer. I like it a little closer to my nose. And right away, instantly, the peppermint it's strong, and it comes through and it creates like a cooling sensation on the back of your neck. If I have like a really bad headache, I'll put it like over here as well on my temples. And all the times that I've used this, I have a headache, a slight headache, and I put it on and then it goes away. And then I forget about my headache and I just end up smelling this peppermint. People around me have been like, what is this peppermint smell all the time that you're wearing? It's because like I love using it and I love wearing it because it's natural. Like, I don't want to have to take a drug all the time for the headaches that I get. I just want to show you a little bit more on the site here, and I'm just genuinely recommending this product. There's no affiliate link or nothing. I just know that a lot of people around, they get headaches, whether it be from staring at the screen, you're indoors all day, and it gave me relief, so I wanted to share it with people because, like I said, I would always have to put an ice pack on my head or force myself to take an hour or two nap or try and chug a bunch of water. And so far, this method with the Peppermint Halo has been the best. And you'll see here that that's what it looks like. And then there's a picture of the lady like just easily rolling it on her neck. I like that it's made from natural ingredients, rolling it on the temple there. I haven't rolled it on the front of my forehead yet. And it's really easy to use. And if you see here, here are the ingredients. It's got peppermint, lavender, and rosemary. You can see here that it's got a full list of the ingredients. It all seems to be natural ingredients. Now, I don't know the actual science of what's happening, you know, when I roll it on the back of my neck and what it's doing when I smell the peppermint. I don't know the actual science. I just know that I get relief when I have a headache and I roll it on, and then usually like less than 10 minutes and it's like gone. They've got a couple of other things here. No animal testing, no synthetics, plant-based, travel-friendly, and it's vegan, and it's a community favorite. Like I said, my friend recommended this. She loves sage and she got us into it. She got us a diffuser as a housewarming gift. And, you know, we've been using the oils and stuff. And she's like, you should try the Peppermint Halo. Everyone always uses it. And so before buying it, I did go and check the reviews. And as you can see, the majority of the reviews are 5 and 4 star reviews. And I thought, hey, I can try it out. You know, it's a natural method. Like I said, I really don't like taking those kinds of drugs because I know that they're not actually benefiting me. So I just wanted to share this product with you for headaches. It's not a typical review that I do, but I would highly, highly recommend it if you get headaches, and just try it out. It's really super simple, just natural. And if you don't have a sage in your area, I'm sure that there's, you know, other companies that create something like this. You can go on the website and type in like peppermint oils for a headache or something, and probably another kind of product will come up as well. So I highly recommend this if you guys get headaches on a frequent basis like I do. And the thing with headaches is I would get it and it would stress me out and it would make the headache worse because I couldn't enjoy what I'm doing, like on the computer or working out or something. It would just kind of ruin my day. And so now I pretty much, as soon as I feel it, then I just put it on and then there you go, it's gone. If you have any other natural suggestions for headaches, please let me know in the comments section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.